gonna make a $12,700 withdrawal from GatesFX. And the reason why I'm kind of just doing this on the fly, it's Friday actually, so I want to be able to have some money to have some fun. But also I've been getting a lot of questions. So you can see right here, I just transferred about 12,000. Ooh, it's a little blurry. So $12,699 into the crypto wallet. So this is my actual wallet right here, okay? And I'm gonna go ahead and hit continue. So let's go ahead and hit continue, right? Now I gotta put in the exact amount. So I'm gonna put the full amount. So 12,699. And then this is the amount that I'm gonna get credited. So let's go ahead and clear that up. I'm gonna hit continue, continue, and then boom. So up here, you're gonna see my pending withdrawal. So right here it says withdrawal, pending check to my certain wallet, and here is the amount. So you can see, guys, like right here are all my withdrawals. You can see created at, I made a withdrawal on February 7th, February 7th, February 4th, and so on. And then here are the amounts. So you can see I withdrew 3,900, I withdrew 2,400, 8,600, $500, 7,600, right? So, you know, I'm just doing this on the fly because I had a good week last week. I wanted to show a couple of you guys like, hey, GatesFX, it's legit. I haven't had any issues with withdrawals. It takes a little bit for it to get accepted. Once it gets accepted, then you know, it goes onto the blockchain, and then I receive it in my wallet. So I use Coinbase. Nothing extraordinary. You know, I have a Coinbase wallet. Boom, it gets deposited in my Coinbase wallet. I transfer it to USD, and then I go ahead and transfer that to my bank account. So all this happens within a couple of hours. Sometimes it will take the max 2 hours. Sometimes it takes 20 minutes. All right, so I was chilling for a little bit. That's why I don't have my sweater on anymore. I was literally in bed, just kind of hanging out. But what I want to show you is basically my withdrawal. So right here, you can see that my withdrawal has been approved. And you can see that the amount was for $12,318. So it got approved about 30 minutes ago, okay? And now what I'm gonna show you is basically my Coinbase. So I just received 0.178, basically $12,263. And so, yeah, life is good. So let's go to my Coinbase now. I feel like I have to show you guys each single step because there's always somebody that just has hella questions. But right here, you can see this is my Coinbase account. I literally just received it. Bitcoin is going up a little bit. So all I need to do is go to crypto, and then I'm gonna go ahead and transfer, buy and sell. So I'm gonna go ahead and convert to USDC, I'm tripping. And then we'll do convert all. So convert all. And then small little fee, it's okay. And then what I'm gonna do now is go to the wallet, sell, not sell, I'm sure, withdraw cash. And then I'm gonna do the maximum, so withdraw maximum. And then boom, I should receive it in my account. So let's go withdraw now, boom. And I did the fast version because sometimes I'm a little impulsive. It's Friday, so it's gonna take a couple days to receive it. But if you don't want the fees, you can just you can withdraw it and it'll take like 2 to 3 business days. But I was willing to bite, you know, a $200 fee to receive basically $12,000. But yeah, that's all I got, guys. I wanted to keep this quick, organic, and just natural. But yeah, no issues for me. I've been doing it. You guys see my withdrawals and all that stuff. So no more questions about GatesFX, please. Why do you think school is so easy for you? You're just smart.
Yeah.
So it's like how?
Like this?
Okay. So if I do that, I get smarter?
Yeah. Or you can do this, can be more smarter. Now do you?
A little bit. It kind of wakes my brain up a little bit. Wow, so cool.
It's quicker.
Look at him, look at him. He's trying to figure it out. Put your arms in the air. Move your arms around. That's cool, huh? Whoa, it's going fast. It's like we're spinning. It's like a light garden.
Yeah, if I went into it,
What the heck? What is it doing?
maybe it's like when you touch it, it like disappears.
Oh, now it's going slow. Whoa, look. Now it's spinning. I've always wanted to give back. I just never had the resources. Truth is, I was in need myself. Still trying to survive, still trying to figure life out. There were times I needed help more than anyone. So I made a promise, if I ever made it out, I'd never forget where I'd come from. And now I'm here, time to give back. So I'm actually downtown right now, going to another coffee shop to go to another meeting with my girlfriend. We're gonna go over content creation stuff. So last meeting, nonprofit stuff. This meeting, content creation stuff. So it's a busy Friday today, but I like staying busy. So let's continue getting it. When you grow, you need a team. I'm grateful for real friends who help me take YouTube serious. About to get a little wallet, a couple glasses, call it a day. So, got a little quick bag for my birthday. Bought some sunglasses and a wallet. She got something in there. What did you get? A little lollipop or something? So yeah, we're off to the next and we're gonna keep it moving. Let's get it. Car's here. Look. All right, get your bag. Let's go. Thanks, man. Appreciate you. Huh?
Have a good rest
Thanks.
of your day.
You too.
I just had the key was inside the cup.
Oh, okay, okay.
You're all good to go.
Here. Get in there. Here, can you hold this for me? Just throw it back there. Let's roll, girl.